Drive Medical Knee Walker 790 Wheel Lock Replacement Video. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters, 5mm hex key. Place the knee walker on its side. Cut the end cap off of the brake cable. Disconnect the brake cable from the wheel lock. Use the 5mm hex key to remove the wheel lock from the frame. Install the new wheel lock onto the frame. Make sure that the adjusting barrel is screwed all the way in. Reconnect the brake cable to the wheel lock. Make sure the cable is fully seated in both the brake lever adjusting barrel and the wheel lock adjusting barrel. Adjust the brake as necessary. See the brake adjustment video. For more information, visit us online at www.drivemedical.com, or you can reach us at 877-224-0946.